Hello friends, welcome my channel. Today I am going to show you how to earn Hikvision CCTV certification. Okay, just to go Hikvision e-learning login site. Okay, I find the site, then I just click the link. After that I just sign up. So we have to create new account. I already have account, but I create new account for you. Okay, before start we verify our email address. We can use both address, company email address. If you have, you can use that one. If you have any personal Gmail account, you can use that one also. Okay, so we check first to verify that email is working or not. Just type the email and click verify. After that we get one puzzle. We have to finish the puzzle. Okay, then wait. Okay, they will send the email the link. Okay, then we have to go the email and just open the inbox, check. Okay, once you get the verification code, you just type there the verification code first. Okay, I just go and type the verification code here. I already get the verification code, my email. I just type the verification code and fill my job title and my full name, and also company name, and select my country. Okay, now I am in Saudi Arabia, so I select my country, Saudi Arabia now. Okay, where is Saudi Arabia? Okay, I find it. Okay, and put new password. Okay, we need to create one new password. For next time we have to log in, use this password. You can use this one. Okay, create password. Okay, this is a very important thing. Okay, do you want to sign up the channel portal? Okay, so we have to create not only for official using site, we have to create the first one. Yes, register with the Hik Partner Pro. Okay, not second one, the first one you have to select. This is the terms of condition, the policy, we have to select that one also. Okay, first one we selected, then click register. Okay, congratulations, you have registered. Okay, we get this one. Then we back to the login page. Just to put the email address and the password we just before you created. Okay, then login. Okay, now we are Hikvision e-learning platform. Just sign up for learning. Just click there. Just check my learning. We already created an account, so no need to go there. Just my learning. See here, there is no any pending course because this is a new account. Okay, the course detail overview is there. You can get it. This is the certification. This is two types of certification we have. One general certification, second one Hikvision. Okay, this is a general, okay, certification. See, the general we can find out CGSA for general certification, for cameras, for access control, everything. This is a CCTV. Okay, this is the online course. You just click there, you can start the course here. Okay, enroll this course. Click there. Okay, if you click here, they will send one link, your email address. Okay, the same email address which you are to created the account. Go inbox and check. There is a link, you have to click there. Okay, we can continue the course. Once you click the continue course, then come back the web here, then we can start your course here. Okay, now I just open my email address. I will click OK. I enroll this course. Now I click my this one, Hikvision Certification. Okay, I go enroll my course. This is the Hikvision. This is very important. If you click Hikvision Certification, we have to give our mobile number, active mobile number, and country, the same name. Name here should be selected, or identity. Okay, if you have any driving license, any passport, you should give the same name. Okay, because the certificate came the same name. So there is no difficulty. Enroll. Okay, the same link they also send in my email. Okay, just check email address, then there is a one link, just click there, enough. Then come back or a web page, then we can start your email. So now we can start the same first course. This is a general one, CCTV. Okay, now I click here, just check it is working or not working. Yes, this is working now. The course is starting. See the right side, there is a 4 parts of this course. This is a theory. Okay, once any class completed, you have a small quiz. Once it's completed, the next part is coming. Okay, after enroll all, watching all videos, this video we completed, we can get 2 credits, and each video we can get like that. You can check how many video we have to complete for this course. This is a percentage learning progress. If you can later on, you can check how many percentage you completed each course. You can check from here. Okay, this is a part 1, part 2, part 4, like that. There is a 2 total, how many 4 parts is there for this course. This is a general certificate and self-placed training. Okay, see, this is how many CGSA CCTV. This is access control. Okay, so must we select one only CCTV. If you want CCTV, you just select CCTV. Okay, I select CCTV. See, all CCTV. Okay, we should watch the video all. How many video we have now? Totally, we should watch all. Okay, then they will give a small theory examination. I think it will be 100 questions. We have to mark, you have to get 60%. Okay, and if you get 60 point, we get passing mark, otherwise we lose. We can do 2 times in attend the examination, no issue. This is access control. If you want access control certification, you should enroll this video. First check the videos all and pass the examination. Then we can attend the practical examination in your nearest center. Okay, I will let you know later this video, the final stage, how to get the practical examination, where you find out. Okay, now this is my account. Okay, I already completed HCCA CCTV. See, there is a examination. This one thermal and CCTV CGSA access control still not completed. Okay, I just completed my HCCA CCTV. Start exam. I click start exam. Okay, I passed my theory exam. Okay, I already passed my theory exam, 81% mark. Now I'm checking our practical examination. So I am now in Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. There is a one slot available there. See, in the Riyadh CCTV practice. I enroll, but see, this is the time is, and this is expired already. This is today 23. This one 20. Okay, so I cannot. I waiting for next examination time. If almost maybe 1 month, 2 months, each month they have a examination is there, so we can check every day or week, 1 week's one time. You can get the date of practical examination date. Okay, so once we completed, we can get Hikvision official certificate. Be carefully check, there is a 2 types of Hikvision certification, one for Hikvision, another one general. This one Hikvision. Okay, once we completed theory examination, we already passed it, then we can able to attend practical examination. One practical examination completed, we get the certification. Okay, this is easy way to get a Hikvision certification online. This is totally free, no any cost, no need to pay anything. Okay, this certification is now very valid for CCTV field, security installation field. This is the course details. HCA. This H means Hikvision, and CG means general. You can find out like that. Okay, this is a HCCA dot of codes available. Access control, video intercom, CCTV, intrusion alarm. There's a lot of. Okay, we can find your course detail here. See my course. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel, and next time I will show you another brand certification. Okay, thank you, bye.